Hello my friends, it's me Nike. As you see, my hand is already very well, and now I'm gonna show you to present this wonderful USB cable. Let's start. The fact that there were two cables make me really satisfied. The greatest feature is that you can charge three things simultaneously. The body is nylon braided and the heads are aluminum. They are really strong and durable, and it's not easy to break the cables at all. Now let's start to check it how it works. Power bank, mobile phone, iPhone, and the second head is blood pressure machine. Guys, I want to mention that the third head is for some typical mobiles, and now let's check how it works with laptop. Just take mobile, your Wi-Fi stick, and with this cable you can charge them very easily. That's why I like them. As you see, the size is very comfortable and you can take it outside even with your pocket or with a little bag. It's really easy for carrying. Just see, it's just 1 meter, about 3.3 feet, guys. Really great thing. See you soon, bye.